Hey there everyone! Welcome back to the Garage Plow Model channel. Just a heads up, this video isn't some robot translated mess. We specially wrote the script just for our English-speaking fans. Because of that, the pacing might be a little different from the Japanese version. Sorry if the timing is a bit off sometimes. Please let me know what you think in the comments below. Your thoughts are super important to us. Don't worry about using perfect English. Our channel creator, Garapla, Garage Plow Model, knows enough English to read everything. Now, let's talk about the legendary Basselard. The GOAT kit, why Baselard F8 Girl X Megami device is still a must-buy. Frame Arms Girl meets Megami device. I honestly have no idea what's going on with the lore, but hey, it's a crossover. Seriously, my brain broke. I feel like Kotobukiya has a soft spot for Baselard, you know? She always gets the best treatment compared to the other girls. So, we've got the armor parts from FAG, and the joints are straight from Megami device. Best of both worlds, a total win-win. And because she's Megami device, she has that universal compatibility. The specs are all the same. Tell me, that midriff is everything. It's totally fine. The included stand doesn't articulate much, but it's a vertical pillar, so it gives great support. First, the design is super Gundam-esque. It's not one of those recent godly, evil-looking Megami kits. She's got that classic mecha aesthetic. I think she's a pretty solid choice for your first dip into the hobby. The knee parts are one-piece molds, just like Matsumi-chan. Is this a Yuri reference? You can swap out the faces with other series just by changing the neck joint. Since she's the shorter body type, I think Emma Senpai's head would actually fit better. I'm kidding, stop me. You see bizarre labels like Runner I, Yi, and Runner U, Wu, stuff you never see. And some runners even have the same name. You can do stuff like this too. We've got Magical Basselard, a color swap version, bundled with 2 whole MSG expansion packs. That's an insanely good deal. She's the perfect, lowly cute old man bait version of Basselard. You get the Aura Nail Rod and the X armor set, plus the Basselard figure itself. You know that unique smell you get when you open a Kotobukiya kit box? Inhales deeply. Ooh, is this the scent of Basselard? Speaking of extras, the magical Basselard version leaves you with extra runners A and V. And they are flesh-colored. Runners A and V. What could that mean? Plus, you can build a nearly nude Basselard with the spare parts. The tail part is not the type that attaches to her butt. Phew, we're safe. And she comes with a ton of effect parts. You can absolutely live out your Chunibyo, 8th grade syndrome fantasies. Hey, Kotobukiya, if you're giving us this many extra runners, could you maybe throw in the parts to build a second head? We always have just one tiny piece missing from the head, so we can't build 2. Come on! Over 30 runners. But don't worry, you get a bunch of random single part runners and tons of extras, so it's fine. Alright, that's all for our deep dive into Basselard. If you guys enjoyed this English version, please smash that like button. Seriously, the more likes we get, the more we know you want more English content. Your feedback is everything. Do you have any suggestions for improvement? Or maybe a kit you want us to review next? Don't be shy. Just drop a comment below and tell us anything you want. We read them all. And hey, if you haven't already, please subscribe to Garage Plam Model for more mecha goodness. Thanks so much for watching, and we'll see you in the next video. Bye!